So when it comes to the Floresta, I would say she's passionate about her work. She's a team player, and you can say she's a team player by her knowledge of everything that goes on in the department, like in the whole organization. She knows everything about every department. So you can tell she's a team player. She's also supportive. For that 1 month that I've worked with her, she has really been supportive. But she's also an entrepreneur. But again, she has a strong personality, has that drive in her. So that's a strong, really personality. She's workaholic.